Hi, I'm Kui. Hafaday and welcome to Lee Edutainment. In this lesson, we are going to learn how our basic number system works, and we are going to learn about an important concept called place value. The number system that we use in math is called base 10 because it uses 10 different symbols for counting and writing numbers. The 10 symbols that we use are called digits, and they look like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You may say that is only 9, but remember, 0 is also a digit that we use in counting and to write numbers. To see how our number system uses these digits to count and represent amounts, let's try counting paper clips using something called a number place to count. The best way to understand a number place is to imagine that it is like a small box, only big enough to hold one digit at a time. As we count, we'll change the digit in the number place to match how many paper clips we have. For example, if we start with no paper clips at all, we put the number 0 in the number place. But as we start getting more paper clips, we have to change the digit in the number place. We have 9 paper clips, but we ran out of digits to count with in our number place, and we have so many paper clips to count. The solution is to use groups to help us count. If we count just one more paper clip, we will have 10. So let's combine those 10 clips into a single group. So how many paper clips do we have? 10. But how many groups of 10 do we have? Just one. This base 10 concept and grouping idea is known as the 10 ones makes 1 10 relationship. This grouping idea helps us with our lack of digits problem if we use another number place. Instead of using the new number place to count paper clips one at a time, like we did with the first number place, we are going to use it to count paper clips 10 at a time. In other words, we are going to use it to keep track of how many groups of 10 paper clips we have picked. If we pick one group of 10, we put a 1 in that number place. If we pick two groups of 10, we put a 2 in that number place. Since this new number place is for counting groups of 10, we will call it the tens place. And we'll name our original number place the ones place, because we used it to count things one at a time. And here's the really important thing. We're not going to use the new number place instead of the old one. We're going to use it alongside the old one. So we have a number place for counting by ones and another number place for counting by tens. Using our 10 digits and these two number places, we can count and write all the way from 0 to 99. At 99, our number places are maxed out with all the digits we have. If we have 99 paper clips and get just one more, we would need a new number place for counting groups of 100, the hundreds place. Our base 10 number system uses different number places to represent the different size groups we use to count. And the digits in those number places tell us how many of each group we have. Like how the digit in the tens place tells us how many groups of 10 we have. Each time we got a new number place to count larger groups, we placed it on the left of the previous number place, starting with the ones place on the far right. Each new number place represents groups that are exactly 10 times bigger than the previous number place. 10 is 10 times bigger than 1, and 100 is 10 times bigger than 10. This is a pattern that helps us write, count, and understand even bigger and bigger numbers. So with all this information, what does place value mean? In a multi-digit number, the number place that a digit is in determines its value. Even though we only have 10 digits, each digit can stand for different amounts depending on the number place it occupies. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.